Go.
Can you please describe our experiment?
Yes. As you can see behind me is a marble roller coaster set with a loop. While we were trying to formulate our experiment, we knew we wanted to do something with marbles. So we thought of trying to study how we had to place the marble on a roller coaster set for it to come down and do a full loop. And in our experiment, we tested 3 points. One was low, one was in the middle, and then one was high. Loop, baby.
Oh, it jumped.
It jumped.
Yeah. Okay, do it again.
One more time.
That doesn't count.
Marshall, please don't fall. Please don't fall.
That's not marble.
This one. Oh, no. Oh. Whoa. It's okay. Yeah. No, it jumped. Can you please just wait? Okay. Can you please describe our assumptions?
Okay, so we have a couple assumptions. One is that the slope remains constant throughout this whole thing. The second one is that this is a perfect circle. And we're also assuming that the marble stays on the track the whole time until it gets to here at least. It'll probably jump based on how high we place it, but we just want to make sure it's on the track the whole time. And we're also assuming that air friction is minimal, and we're just going to pretty much ignore that. There is going to be friction though from the marble rolling down the track, but Marshall will discuss that later.
Go.
How much was the car? Alright, we're ready. It jumped. You're ready. Epic fail.
Dropping white marble from point 1. White marble point 2.
We gather data from starting from the first point, and then we put the ball on the track and see the ball went through the loop. And we did it 10 times, and for the first point, all the balls make through the loop pretty good. So we start the second point, which is 14 centimeters lower from the first starting point, and the marble went through the loop pretty good, but there's some baby jumps. Sometimes the marble jumps from here to here. Sometimes the marble jumps from here to here. It really varies. And so we decided to lower our track again to the third starting point, which is we also lowered by 14 centimeters. And this time the marble didn't even went through the whole loop. It usually falls off right here. We used a plastic ball to test the same 3 points. And for the first starting point, the white ball went through pretty good on the loop. But on the second point, there's some difference between the white ball and the metal ball. Because we think the mass of the plastic ball is really low, and the air friction has a stronger effect on the white ball. That's when we have some huge jumps on when the white ball went through the loop. Sometimes jump from here to here, and sometimes the ball doesn't even make the loop.
What about the third point?
The third point, the white ball didn't fail to make through the loop too. So
just like the metal ball.
Just like the metal ball.
Okay. Marshall broke it again.
I didn't do anything.
Wait. Now we don't know how long it is. That's an issue.
Oh,
we don't know how big the loop is.
What's going on?
Just click it in the same area, and it's gonna be the same.
That thing doesn't change. Just make sure that we don't break that part. Hey, what's going on?
I don't think that part was there.
Okay.
So where did it come from?
I don't know. I think this is the one I was trying to make it fit, and it would.
Can you please describe... Wait.
Action.
Can you please describe our experiment?
Action.
Can you please describe our experiment?
Yes. As you can see behind me is a loop-de-loop, and in our when we were. Never mind.
Cannot stop laughing.
So, Marshall, why are we measuring the mass of the...
We're trying to measure the ball, so...
Say marbles if you're gonna laugh.
Why are you measuring...
Oh my god, why? No, stop that.
I am
It
so
hurts so
sorry.
bad.
I'm so sorry. Did that really hurt though?
No, you barely touched me.
I'm sorry.
You guys are funny.
Alright.
Speed. So we acquired our data by putting the marble on the first starting point, and so we put the ball on the marble and tell me if I'm speaking too fast. Why did you feel that?
Let me know when you're ready, Tom Cruise.
I prefer it. Never mind. So, okay, I'm ready.
We'll talk about it next class. Like, write down some stuff to say, seriously.